So let's check in with the Money Desk. Devin Murugan joining us. And Devin, so the hits keep on coming because tomorrow we might see, well, we will see another interest rate hike, right? It's just how much? Was last month it was 1/4 percentage point? What are you expecting tomorrow?
Many analysts are expecting the interest rate to increase by the same margin, 1/4 percentage point, which people often call 25 basis point. But look, inflation's going up, and that supports the case for the interest rates to go up. So the bank is likely to go that route. And as you say, it just means more budgeting for people. It's going to be a rough ride. More bad news for consumers on the cost of living. As we said, the Reserve Bank is likely to hike interest rates tomorrow by 1/4%. Some economists believe the bank may be prompted to hike rates even higher in the wake of surging oil prices, which is stoking inflation. Now, a high inflation outlook supports the case for the bank to raise rates. Consumer inflation, as announced by Stats SA today, standing at 5.7%. The lending rate at banks, it's the rate that banks offer clients loans, is setting at 7.5%. Here's economist Annabelle Bishop.
We think that the Reserve Bank is probably just going to give us a 25 basis point increase, the same as we had in January and November last year. We don't expect the South African Reserve Bank to move to a 0.5% hike yet. Of course, in the United States, we saw a 1/4% increase as well this month. So we think that should limit it. But the risk is not off. And yesterday, markets were pricing in an 80% chance of a 0.5% increase in interest rates. So I think consumers and households need to be aware that pressure is likely to be up as opposed to down on the cost of debt.